Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can disable internet on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to disable internet on your computer without taking out your ethernet cable easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here control panel. You're going to go into network and internet. Click on to view network status and tasks. Click onto your internet or wireless connection and you're just going to click disable on here. And once you click on disable, now you'll see that my internet has been disconnected. And I try to go on to google.com. It says you're not connected to the internet. So that's how easy it was to disable internet on our computer. If you want to enable it back again, what you're going to do is you're going to click on to change adapter settings here. Click onto your internet connection, right click on it, and then click enable. And once you click on enable, it will reconnect to the internet. Can take a minute or two. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to disable internet on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.